Good morning students, I am Jagat Singh. Welcomes you in our YouTube channel Maths Zone. Today we want to teach you profit and loss. In the previous video we discussed on the profits of any objects. Now today we discuss on the another questions. We have taken one more questions. Question number 6. Hari bought 20 kg of rice at rupees 36 per kg and 25 kg of rice at rupees 32 per kg. So in these questions, Hari bought 20 kg of rice at rupees 36 per kg. It means the CP price is equal to 36 rupee and CP of 20 kg price equal to rupees 36 into 20 equal to rupees 36 to the 70 to 720 rupees. And 25 kg of rice and CP of 1 kg of rice is equal to rupees 32 and CP of 25 kg is equal to 25 into 32. It will be equal to rupees 800. So total amount of rice, total amount of or weight of rice is equal to 20 plus 25 kg is equal to 45 kg. The total money, total CP is equal to rupees 720 and 800. 8 7 1520 rupees. 38 into 45. It will be equal to multiply rupees 1710. Now the SP of rice is more than the CP of the rice, so that we get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. 1710 minus 1520. We get 0, 1, 11, 11 to 9. 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. Rupees 190 as the profit. Now, what is the profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit into 100 upon CP. Profit is 190 into 100 upon CP will be, CP is 1520 rupees. Now 19 1 19 19 8 ja 152 and 4 to the 8 and 4 25 times 100 and 2 to the 12 1 by 2%. So Hari get the profit of 12 and 1 by 2%. Let's one more questions on the basis of loss of 12 candles is equal to rupees SP of 15 candles. The CP of 12 candles is equal to SP of selling price of 15 candles. Find the loss percent. We have not the cost price and the selling price of any candle, so that first of all let CP of one candle is equal to rupees 1. And the SCP of 12 candles is equal to 1 into 12 equal to rupees 12. So 12 is equal to SP of, put 12 in place of 12 CP, and SP of 15 candles and SP of 1 candle is equal to 12 upon 15. It's divided by, it is the both are the multiple of 3, so 3 4 are 3, 5 you get 4 upon 5, and 4, this is the proper number, and 4 is less than the 5, so that we get loss on this transaction. And so find loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP rupees 1 and SP is rupees 4 upon 5. So 5 minus 4, 5 will be 5 minus 4 upon 5. Loss of 1 by 5 rupees. Find loss percent. Loss percent means loss into 100 upon CP. Loss is 1 upon 5 into 100 upon CP of 1 candle is rupees 1. So divided by 5, 20% loss. In this transaction, he got loss of 20%. So by this way, you can find the other questions on basis of profit and loss. So friends, in the end we want to say that you have do your questions on this basis, and like and comments on the videos. Thank you.